Well, another beautiful day in Alaska. You see the yard's all beautified. Everything's all green. It'll be this way for another 5 weeks. Finally gets good and green. It starts to go to brown. Anyhow, I was welding today at work. And we're welding galvanized. We're required to wear a vest for some reason. And, hard hats and all that stuff. Steel-toe boots, etc., etc. So I went up to my boss today at the end of the day, and I says, Mike, I think I need a new vest. This one's a little burnt up. And he takes a look at me. And he looks at my hard hat. Welding galvanized should be outlawed. As far as I'm concerned, they got techniques these days that'll get the same result after it's welded. The weld's impure. It's not up to standards. It's not up to code. I don't care what nobody says. It ain't right. Plus all the fumes and breathing all the crap. Anyhow.